This is another exploration of the latest and most innovative gadgets and promising projects sourced from across the web. We all love grilling and enjoy spending time with friends and family, but this activity could end badly if you forget to turn off the gas, or it might not start at all if you're out of gas because you didn't turn it off last time. This timer will prevent that. Simply connect it to the gas tank and, let's say, the grill, and set the desired time for up to 60 minutes. It will definitely fit, don't worry. Timer's compatible with all types of gas appliances. Additionally, it's weather resistant and meets industry standard. Finish grilling and need to clean the grill? Just add an extra 20 minutes to the timer. Need precise measuring for another DIY project, or just need to measure something? Perhaps you should consider the Mileseey D9 Pro. It's a laser distance meter that features dual-side firing lasers for alignment. Its color touchscreen offers numerous measurement modes, complemented by electronic tilt sensors for precision. The device boasts a range of 330 feet with a plus or minus 2mm accuracy. Battery lasts for up to 10 hours on one charge. Despite its blocky design, it feels sturdy and has a threaded tripod hold, but you can mount it on any metal surface. There's also a flashlight just in case. Some users might find the initial setup a bit tricky, yet the tool's versatility shines through its various functions, including area and volume calculations using tilt sensors. Keychain will help you handle quick fixes. It can double as a ratchet wrench, and there are several bits that you can magnetically attach to the bit holder. The 72-teeth ratchet mechanism ensures smooth control and excellent torque, especially in hard-to-reach areas. Finally, there's a keychain stash for pills you might need or for cash on rainy days. Speaking of rain, it's fully waterproof, so everything inside will stay dry and safe. Honey, I know you consider me a Hulk. How can I move all that stuff on my own? This innovative mover outshines traditional caster wheel dollies, excelling on hard surfaces with precise single-person control. While it won't tackle gravel driveways or soft soil, it effortlessly handles appliances, furniture, construction materials, and bulky tools. An adjustable telescoping frame expands from 6 inches to 46 inches, accommodating various object sizes. Even large and awkward items are no match, as the sides can be separated for ease of movement. Built to last, this thing's constructed from robust hardened steel and a reinforced polyresin deck, boasting a remarkable 2,000 pounds weight capacity. With 8 heavy-duty urethane wheels, it conquers thresholds, uneven terrain, and more. Home training can indeed be effective. Just take a look at this 5-in-1 dumbbell set. Each dumbbell offers 5 weight options ranging from 5 pounds to 25 pounds, providing a total of 50 pounds per pair. Adjusting the weight is easy. Simply flick your wrist. Safety's a top priority. These dumbbells feature non-slip handles, a special locking system to secure the weights in place, and protective bases. Compact and easy to store, they're ideal for various exercises, body shaping, and achieving overall fitness goals, including weight loss. Good loud music is the best companion. This 10-watt speaker will provide you with high-quality sound no matter how roughly you treat it. You guessed it right, it'll handle water splashes, dust, and drops. Feel free to pair 2 of them for stereo sound or connect up to 100 speakers for a really loud party within a 100-foot range via Bluetooth. The controls are super easy thanks to the large buttons, but it's not just about sound. The speaker also doubles as a flashlight with an SOS mode for emergencies. If you run out of power, it transforms into a power bank. Finally, there are numerous ways to mount it. Ring is primarily known for its home security products. However, did you know that the brand also offers a product for your car? Ring's Car Cam is a dual-camera dash cam that captures both interior and exterior activity. It's easy to install and control via the app. The cams record in 1080p resolution and include a GPS locator and two-way talk functionality. Need privacy? You can disable the interior-facing cam while keeping the forward-facing cam active. Additionally, the app provides live viewing, remote communication, and notifications. A subscription unlocks remote features over LTE and cloud storage. Without a subscription, recordings are stored locally. It's the simplest, yet one of the most effective defenders of your vehicle. This Category 3 security steering wheel lock covers your entire steering wheel and boasts a unique spinning mechanism that thwarts thieves' attempts to turn it. Can you suggest a better shield against modern theft techniques like key cloning and keyless entry theft? Me neither. One more advantage is that it's highly visible, so it deters criminals at first sight. So simple, yet so effective. Wow, that ride was awesome. But now both of us need a shower. Meet the Waterport Off-Road Shower, your new favorite adventure buddy. This portable, pressurized water storage system conveniently attaches to your vehicle, allowing you to refresh yourself whenever you need it. It's solar-powered, so while you're off exploring, it heats up your 8 gallons of water for a well-deserved warm shower or bike cleaning. It's sturdy, easy to refill, and simple to use. Gear up for your next journey and stay fresh. Roads can be absolutely unpredictable, which is why it's better to have a helping hand in your trunk to manage quick fixes. The 7-Tour ST800 is an advanced 10-inch ultra-slim subwoofer that you can place under your car seat to enhance your bass experience. With a peak power of 800 watts, it promises captivating bass performance. The cast aluminum enclosure ensures excellent heat dissipation, while a customized spider speaker protector and striking LED ambient light ring illuminated by blue LEDs upon ignition enhance your car's aesthetic appeal. Do you know your car's potential? The Racebox meter box measures key performance stats such as 0 to 60 mile/hour acceleration and quarter-mile times with precision. The lap timer feature provides glanceable info whether you're racing on the track or just driving to work. The drag meter helps you track your braking and speed performance, not just in your car, but in any vehicle you use. Switch between distance and speed modes depending on your needs. With this GPS tracker, you'll know the location of your vehicle or your loved ones in real time. Place this device in the glove box, mount it under the car using the magnetic case, or throw it in your kid's backpack. Running a business? Then you need to track vehicles with cargo in real time, correct? By tapping into a 4G network, the Spytec tracker offers full global coverage to provide you with updates every 5 seconds. All the info is available in the app. Moreover, you can set up geofences and speed limits and receive an alert if the vehicle exits the defined zone. This way, you'll know everything is fine. Any driver who needs your phone number will now immediately see it. These sleek plates are just too hard to miss. No matter which option you choose, both of them perfectly suit any car interior. Plates come with several sets of numbers that can be quickly arranged and replaced when needed. Place the plate anywhere you want. The adhesive stickers will keep them firmly attached. I like that when you don't need the number to be exposed, you can hide it. Constantly plugging in and out your phone to your car just to listen to music? The Ottocast Carplay adapter allows you to connect your iPhone wirelessly. Simply plug the adapter into your car's USB port, connect your iPhone via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and enjoy a seamless CarPlay experience. Benefit from superior performance with Auto Connect features, no audio lag, and native CarPlay functionality such as voice control, Siri, navigation, and music streaming. Compatible with over 600 car models, excluding BMW, this adapter ensures a hassle-free setup and operation. Transform your space with Govee's ultra-luminous neon rope, boasting smart IC chips for vivid segmented colors and extensive customization. Crafted from flexible silicone, it adheres easily with included clips. Bend the rope in any possible way and mount it on the wall, on your guitar, or behind the TV. In the app, you'll find a huge gallery of preloaded modes, but it's also possible to set your own color scheme. Standout feature? Music mode syncs the lights to your tunes, creating a mesmerizing light show. Time to enhance smart home management with the SwitchBot Hub 2, a Matter-enabled smart hub. No need to search for a remote for each device. Simply pair all of them with the hub and the app and then control them using your phone, even when you're not connected to Wi-Fi. Equipped with a built-in thermohygrometer and a spacious LED display, SwitchBot accurately monitors temperature and humidity levels and automatically turns on, let's say, a fan, an AC, or a humidifier to improve air quality. Additionally, the hub enables automated actions based on sunrise and sunset times and geofencing for SwitchBot devices. It includes 2 convenient buttons for activating scenes or managing the tech in your house. Alternatively, you can also do this with your voice. No problem. Planning to spend some time outdoors and use multiple devices? Power banks won't handle that task. You need a power station like this one from Anker. With a cell capacity of 768 watt-hours and a max output of 1600 watts, it's well equipped to handle various electronic devices. But it's not just about providing power. It also offers plenty of options to light up your camp or hang around in the dark. There's a retractable pole with water-resistant LED lights featuring several modes hidden in the upper part, perfect for illuminating campsites. While this may seem gimmicky, it adds practical value for outdoor enthusiasts. To consolidate all your treasures in one place, I suggest considering this organizer. Multiple pockets of various sizes and shapes keep all your tools, knives, flashlights, smartphones, and notebooks securely in place thanks to the clips. Additionally, a discreet zippered back pocket securely stores coins, cards, or small documents, weighing less than 2 ounces and with super compact dimensions. This companion is ideal for everyday carry, combining functionality with resilience. If you're tired of traditional stands that fall short, this could be your ultimate solution. The Vanish Evo climbing steps are lightweight, compact, and effortless to set up, transforming your hunting experience. The aluminum frame is weather-resistant with a 350-pound capacity, perfect for mobile hunters. The fully leveling seat and platform ensure comfort and stability even in heavy cover. The X3 climbing sticks are feather light and secure with 10 inches of tread for a confident ascent. What truly impressed me is the Quick Connect plate, a revolutionary feature that simplifies setup. Pair this with the Air Raid Evolution, and you'll be setting up your new hunting spots in no time.